What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got some battle styles I found in the wild today. I actually found some XY Steam Siege 2016. Let's see. Yep, 2016. Found these at a Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, I was going to get my second COVID shot. My appointment was like at 9 something. I tried to get there a little early, and literally the Dollar Tree was in the next parking lot, and they opened up at 8. So I said, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So I got lucky, found a handful of these. Pretty cool. Something to do on a Thursday night. A little treaty treat. Let's start with one of these bad boys. See what we can conjure up here. Have some XY Steam Siege. Ordered a new camera today. Pretty excited about that. New camera. Probably gonna get some new backdrop. Try a green screen too. See if I can get some of this legit video action. Unless the GoPro looks good. You guys throw me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video and audio quality. Just from the GoPro and the background and just the way it's set up. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, like I said, I already ordered the camera. So, here's a little reverse. Oh boy. Gardevoir EX. And it's starting to happen already. That is cool. Always pulling some nice looking cards. First pack mojo. Good old Nuzleaf. Lampent. Very cool stuff so far. But yeah, like I said, I already ordered a new camera. I have one webcam. I'm probably going to use that for the front. Let's just stay with this. And then the new camera, I'm going to... Because the Logitech I got now is just... It's a fixed lens. So when I put the camera on it focuses well away from me. So once I try putting the camera on the table and to do the cards like this, it's just there's no focus whatsoever. So I'm probably going to use that Logitech for the front cam of me, and then the new camera I'm probably going to use for the cards. See how it works. Mess around with OBS too. Good old Nidoking reverse. Armado. Anorith. Persian. Cool. So we'll see how that works. Pretty excited to get you guys some better video and audio quality. So like I said, if definitely let me know what you think of the GoPro in the comments there. See how it. So I just might stick with the GoPro. Don't fix what's not broken, right? Oshawott, Marill, Pontia, Litwick, Trainer reverse, old Pokey Puff. Cling Clang, Holo, Azumarill, Persian, and Fluffy. That was fun. Some decent cards. Not bad. It's pretty. Pokey Puff cupcake there. Little Pokey Brownie. For all those that get down with the get down. Alright. You know how we do with battle styles. Usually crush these things. So our little donations for the kiddos. Cacnea. Mawile. Spoink. Mr. Mines. Lickety tongue reverse. Oh baby. Rapid strike. Urshifu. Very nice. Full art. Man. I love ripping me some Pokemon. I am over the sports cards for now. For a little while anyway. Energy. Single strike. Pignite. It's nice. Scroll of Swizzles. Look good in the deck. Good old Bouffalant. Bouffalant's a beast. Let's see what else is happening here. See if we can pull any more beauties out of this stuff for everybody. A little Zubat. Remoraid, Rapid Strike, Onyx, Alile, Cherubi, Level Ball. Reverse. Jellicent. Energy, Weeping Bell. Perugly. Your boy's serious. It's nice. Last one. Last pack mojo. We got a... Aw, man, we didn't do no Where's Me Gold, no nothing. We're slacking over here, boys and girls. Get in there. Get some of that pepper on there. Get Pikachu in there. There you go. Good. Pikachu booty. Some Where's Me Gold. We actually didn't even need it. It was just being around. Corphish. Skaterbug. Good old Cubone. Murkrow. Single strike Tepig. Reverse Carkle. Oh, Schnizzle. Can we do it again? Oh, my goodness gracious. This can't still be happening constantly with these Pokemon cards. Good old Mr. Mustard. Delicious. I think Pikachu threw the mustard on there. Beautiful. Grumpig, Scroll of Scorn, Single Strike, Bruxish. Wow. Look at that beauty. I'm like the hit king over here for Pokemon cards, feels like. Smashing them. Well, for me, this is smashing them. Not bad. Not bad, boys and girls. Here's your Steam Siege hit. Our two battle style hits. I hate when I can't pick this stuff up. Let's try that. Hey, there's a little trickaroo. The Urshifu V, Rapid Strike from Battle Styles. That damn thing. Good old Colonel Mustard with his wicked eyebrows. I like how they trimmed the card there with the gold on both sides. Pretty sweet. Off center like crazy, but not for sale. That one's centering is a little better. These are all getting either played with or displayed. Once I knock a few walls down in this office. About to get some serious lighting in here. Some new cameras. maybe a mic. But yeah, that's it for this little 6-pack mixer there. Steam Siege and Battle Styles. Some serious, well, not serious, but some nice hits. I appreciate you guys watching. Tune in. I'm not going to explain the background again. Either watch Sunday's video, yesterday's video, or the video before yesterday's, or Tuesdays or Mondays. I think I mentioned the giveaway on each one of them. But yeah, appreciate you guys again. Hopefully, I'd say maybe I'll toy with the new platform with OBS and a new camera and the mic and all that. Try to use a green screen, get this video quality and audio a little bit better for you guys. Like I said, unless you guys like this, you think it looks good, sounds good, just leave me a comment and tell me what you guys think. I appreciate it. But I'll probably see you tomorrow or Saturday. Well, it's definitely Saturday night for the random. Stay tuned. I appreciate everybody. Thanks.